Welcome back to Peek Before You Sleep, and here we are at Mollie's Motel in Oxfordshire, where we've just got back from a night in one of their double rooms, and we wanted to give you a look around. This was a fantastic value hotel. It cost us £70 for a Friday night, and we loved it. On either side of the bed, you've got little shelves that act as a bedside table and plug sockets for charging. And underneath the bed is open, so I always like being able to put away my bags or my suitcase, so it's out of sight and not cluttering the room, which is all the better because the rest of the room is fairly compact. This double room comes with a king-size bed, so it felt like a very comfortable sleep. And when we look at the view, this hotel is on the side of a road, so you kind of expect what you're going to get. It's a car park for guests and for those that are visiting the diner, but there's a garden at the back you can see on the right hand side, and we sat there for a nice drink in the evening. The storage is fairly minimal, but you've got a couple of shelves and space to hang things, and then the GHD straighteners and Dyson hairdryer come with the room. And into the bathroom, we start actually with a sink that's in the main bedroom, away from me, hello. And then you can see how the sink shows up just inside of the room. You've got cowshed products because Soho House own Mollie's hotels, and then in the bathroom you'll find the same. So all of the hand soap and lotion, and then body wash, conditioner and shampoo are all really nice products, especially for a hotel that costs this kind of budget per night. The shower was amazing. It had such great water pressure that I actually didn't want to step foot out of that shower unit, and we were really comfortable in here. I think, like I say, the cost of this hotel for how comfortable it feels was a really, really good price point. So we would definitely come back if we are ever in the area and need somewhere to stay. So that's Peek Before You Sleep. Thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe for more hotel room tours.